Okay, so we're at arrivals and we want the airport rail link. That's what we want, the airport rail link there. If we go a little bit further on here, we've also got the meeting point as well, so where you can meet people. And keep walking straight down here. Okay, we're just going to go this way, guys, around here and down to the second floor. Okay, just keep going this way. Keep following the airport rail link sign up there. Okay, and we just go this way down to the airport rail link, which is on this side. You can just see the barriers over there and the ticket machines. So here's your ticket machines. You can have it in English as well. So I'm going to go to, whoa, I didn't expect that to happen, cancel. Whoa. Okay, so I'm going to go to Huamak Station here, cancel. Huamak Station because there's an interchange with the Blue Line Phetchaburi MRT. But I'm going to go to the ticket office and pay by cash. สวัสดีครับ อยากไปมักกะสัน Okay, I got the Rian here. I'm going to Makasan Station, so that was 35 baht. Okay, we're down on the platform here, so this is the Chanchala. So I want to go from here all the way down to Makasan, and that's where I'm going to change. And here comes the train. Okay, in we go. And that is where I'm doing the interchange at the Blue Line MRT at Makasan. Okay, we're here at Makasan Station. Okay, here we are at the Makasan Station. Now we've got a little bit of a walk, but it's not too far. And as a bonus, I'll show you somewhere special where you can eat if you're a little bit hungry after your journey. Okay, we need to go straight down here so we can connect to the Blue Line MRT, and it's like a little walkway where you go over the road, if I can remember rightly. It's called the Skywalk there. So number 2, Skywalk to the MRT. You can just see that right there. Okay, so keep right to Phetchaburi Station MRT there. So just across here, and it's quite a nice station, this Phetchaburi MRT station as well. There we go, people, straight ahead, just keep following the arrow to the Blue Line MRT station. You can't actually miss it, you can't really go wrong. Escalators here, or take the steps if you want. From that station to this station, Phetchaburi Station, it's only going to take you about 5 minutes, just a 5-minute walk, so it's not very far, it's not hard on the legs. And here's my bonus: if you're feeling a little bit peckish, you can always drop in at Gold Curry Bangkok. And here we are at Phetchaburi Blue Line MRT station. Got some ticket machines there. D crabs to come with.
17 baht.
Okay, 17 baht. Okay. This one here is to Sukhumvit Silom, so that's platform 1 that you want. Platform 1, Chanchalanung. Let's go in. Okay, here we are at Sukhumvit Station. So here we are, very busy station this is. So we're going to come out round about Asok. And here we are, everybody. We're arrived at Sukhumvit MRT station near Asok. And for a bonus, if you go up there, you can get into Terminal 21. Okay, everybody, that's just about it. We're at Asok on Sukhumvit Road, Bangkok. So, thank you very much for coming along with me. And remember, if you're not already subscribed to the channel, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Hit the subscription button below, and I'll catch you in another video. Bye bye.